So it is working, it's cleaned all the coating off the discs, so it's definitely working. It'll probably just end up start binding again. We've maybe freed it up a wee bit, putting it back to there, but you've seen how tight it was. So, and this side, show you. So that's the pad thickness on that side, and well, that's the driver's side. So look, even the inside pad, sorry, the outside pad, sorry, that was the inside one. So definitely, I think it'll deep was right 110%, man. It's nearly right through to that disc as well. Jeez. So I mean a sore one, that one. Right. So that's a big Hyundai all done. Haven't already, hit the thumb, hit subscribe, man, and have yourselves a great old day.